Well, this is one of my jobs today. This was leaking pretty good when I got here. Leaking right out of here. If it had been leaking here, we would have probably repack that. But it was dripping enough here. Made a pretty good ice pit. Now, the way to fix that is there's a set screw right here, and you loosen that, and then the stem will pop up. And then I'm going to do this all kind of in a quick way because I want to show you how to check it if it's siphoning back or if it's antifreezing. So you loosen the set screw, you let the handle come up, then you bring the handle all the way back up to start the water, and then you tighten that set screw back down. Now I'm going to reach down and grab my bottle, it's full of water already, to show you what happens so that you can check it so you know it's seated and it works. You close the valve. You take your bucket full of water, you put it in right here, off of that spout, then you see that water is disappearing. What's happening is the weight of that water is going back down and it's siphoned back, and you know that valve works, that it wasn't just leaking by for some reason. Well, there you have it. Pretty nice, at least. Wind's only blowing about 60 today. Wish you were here.